Good morning, good evening. Welcome to Elastic Bytes, episode 6, Elasticsearch hands-on. Today we shall discuss on combinational queries, how to use it. So let me share my screen really quick. See, what's a combinational query? A query that matches documents, uh, a query that matches documents based on the multiple conditions. So in Elasticsearch, we have three types. That is like must not, should. Must reflects like a boolean end, must not reflects like a boolean not, should reflects like a or condition, boolean or. Okay. Uh, so we took the salary data from Kiggle's website. We took the salary data from the Kiggle's website and we tried injecting to the salaries index. Okay. Let's see. Get salaries /_ search. Okay, there are like 6,704 documents. Let's go through each one of the scenario with an example to better understanding. So let's start with the must query. So here the problem statement is, what is the salary, years of experience and age of a software engineer with a bachelor's degree who is male? Okay, I will repeat the problem statement again. What is the salary, years of experience, and age of a software engineer with a bachelor's degree who is male? Age of a software engineer, bachelor's degree who is male. Okay, let's get started. So I will try to explain with two versions, so you can get some idea which one to opt. Okay, so get salaries /_ search query bool must. Okay, so must job role. What is the job role? Job title match. Match job title software engineer. Okay, age of with a bachelor's degree. Match education level bachelor's. All about this one. Okay, and final clause. What is the final condition? Who is male? Who is male? So match gender okay. So they need, let's auto indent it. So they need only few properties, right? For simplification and better understanding. So salary, years of experience, age. Okay, let's auto indent again. Let's click on it. See, there are 150 documents based on this criteria. Let's backtrace the result. Okay, what is the salary, years of experience and age of a software engineer with bachelor's degree who is male? Okay, salary, years of experience, age. So we can also education level and job title as well. See, salary, years of experience, bachelor's of, and we need to This is all for better understanding. Okay. See, software engineer, bachelor, male. Okay, okay. This is all about the must query. Let's see. See, there was a profiler. It is called a search profiler. It will analysis the query performance. How best we wrote the query. It will give the time took. This one. It is in milliseconds. Time took in order to get the response from the Elasticsearch cluster. Let me copy this query. Just want to present you the difference. Okay. See, not the all indexes, right? Salaries index. And let's paste this query. Okay. Let's click on profile. See, it took 1.305 milliseconds. See, Boolean term query, terms query. See, total time 100%. So, in coming episodes, I shall explain you in detail, but let's took the screenshot of it in order to see the variation. Okay, it took 1.305 milliseconds. Okay, let's go to the console. Okay, let's try the better version of it. Okay, for time's sake, let's copy entire query and paste it here. Okay, the better version is try to use term query. Okay, rather than match. Okay, here term. Okay, rather than match, we are using the term query. And here query constant score. I will explain you in detail with a minute. Wait a minute. So I don't want to calculate the score of each document. So that's constant. And next, I use the filter concept. Filter will be the cached. So filter the best way to use is like using the filter query rather than directly using the Boolean query. Okay, inside filter we are using bool and the combinational statements. Let's click on the same results 150. See, let's go to the profiler and see. See, 0.445 milliseconds. Earlier, we used to get 1.305. So this is the optimistic query. Okay. You got my point, correct? Yes. Let's go to the another query. So another clause. So which job title, salary, years of experience does not belong to a female data analyst with a master's degree? Let's copy this one. What do you want me to write? Okay, let's copy this and we can alter. Okay. Which job title, salary, and years of experience do not belong to a female data analyst? See, here we need to write must not. Must not gender female, must not belongs to female data analyst. Job title is like job title must not rather than with a master's degree. Education level is master's degree. Let's auto indent again. See, let's read the problem statement again. Which job title, salary, and years of experience do not belong to female data analyst with a master's degree? Okay, yes, click on. What happened? See, yes. See. male software engineer, there is no female, right? See, and that too with data analyst. So we will get the top 10 results. This is all about the usage of must not worry. Next problem statement. I hope you got my point. You're following. So should. Let me copy this one. What are the details? Salary, years of experience, education level, gender, job title, and age. They need all the properties of individual who either have an education level PhD or a job title of software engineer. So it's a or condition. Either they need education level of PhD or a job title of software engineer. So let's replace must not with should. Okay. So educational level, let's copy and paste with PhD and job title software engineer. That's it. Rest all remains same. Let's remove this part. Okay. Let's auto indent it again. Click on. There are 1,886 documents. So bachelor degree software engineer, either. Okay. Either of this. PhD, PhD or software engineer, right? In this document, the job title is software engineer. So this matches. So education level here in the document, PhD. So this is all about the should clause. Okay. Coming to the final one. So how we can use all three combinational clauses at a time? Must not, and should. Which job title belongs to individuals with a salary greater than 80,000 who have a bachelor or PhD degree and are either male or have an age less than 30, but exclude those with a job title of senior manager. So it's really tricky. Let's go through the problem statement again. Let's go to one by one, okay? So which job titles? Salary greater than 80,000. So here we need to use must clause. Okay, and range. Range, okay. Salary greater than 80,000. Let's see one by one. I hope we are syntactically correct, but let's test it. Yes. So salary greater than 80,000 must. Okay. Next, salary who have bachelor or PhD degree. So we can use terms query. Okay. For time's sake, I'm copying it. If you want, you can type it. No issues. So bachelor's PhD. There might be a syntactical error. Let's check. So this one, right? Okay, right? Okay. So must have bachelor degree, PhD, and greater than. Okay, this one here till here we are good. Next, either male or an age less than 30. See, either male or age less than 30. I'm bad at remembering the syntax. Please bear with me. See, in filter query, we don't get uh, less than 30, but exclude job title senior manager. Okay, final one. See, that's it. You don't see PhD, bachelor, male. Okay, sorry, this one wrong spelling. Yeah, senior. Yeah, and the count is also reduced. 1945 documents. Okay, age should write male or right. That's right. So that's all about combinational queries. Uh, so I will rewind once again. So I have a MD file. See, combinational query for practice questions for Elasticsearch certified engineer. This data set I took from the Kaggle website, and I try to index into the Elasticsearch salaries index. Then I framed these queries, okay? Different ways like must not, and should. So, and I will share with you in coming episodes. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Please share your feedback. It would be helpful for me in order to create more content. Thank you all. Have a great day. Bye.